Hi everyone, welcome to the channel today. This is just a quick video because I've been sent something in the post from CW01 Creations, Peter Smith, who contacted me, and we've been chatting for quite some time. And if any of you haven't checked out Peter's videos on YouTube, go over to his site, take a look. He does loads of really cool custom CW01 chassis. He is incredibly knowledgeable about all things Tamiya and RC models, constantly giving me some great advice and support on some of the projects that I've had on the channel. But what he's done is he sent me a model that he wants me to build, and he wants me to put out on the track. Now, I have no idea what is going to be in here at all. And if you've seen any other videos from other channels where they've been sent something by Peter, you'll see that he wraps these things up really, really well. So I'm going to see if I can get in here and we'll take a look what's inside. I managed to get the card off, and I don't know if this is you got this, go for it in terms of trying to get into Pete's wonderful wrapping, or whether it's you got this, go for it, good luck with building whatever's inside. Right, let's try and get inside this wonderful package now. Here we go. I already see, in typical fashion, Peter's gone and put another layer of wrapping underneath. I'll tell you what, this is not easy when you've got to do the filming and the unwrapping on your own. I'm certainly now jealous of the fact that Mark always has Rob helping him, or Rob always has Mark helping him. Right, well, I've got the first layer off. Layer number 2, here we go. Always go for a corner. It's my advice to anybody who's trying to unwrap something. Right, well, we know it's a Tamiya. Oh, wow. I've got a real good idea now of what this is going to be. Others will be able to guess as well from looking at that. I think this is going to be the Tamiya Mad Bull. Let's lift it up so you can see. It certainly is. Look at that, Peter. This is awesome. Wow, thank you so much. Now, I was talking about these on another comments tab or on a page somewhere, and Peter and I had some dialogue about the Mad Bull, and I've been looking for one for not ages, but for some time, because I wanted, this is on a DTO1 chassis, and I was wondering, you know, what the difference is. I've got a DTO3, and I'm thinking about getting a DTO2. But this one really caught my eye because you've got these great big sort of, I mean, they're almost, they probably are the same tyres that come on the CW01 chassis. But then with that, you then get a buggy shape that goes with it. And this is supposed to be quite a great chassis because it lies the shocks down more rather than on the Grasshopper where they sit more sort of upright, and also the Rising Fighter where they sit upright. These are laid down slightly more. This is fantastic. Right, let's get it. Let's get rid of all this paper. Let's get it out on the deck and let's see what's inside. Here we go. Look at that box presentation in the Mad Bull. That is awesome. So we've got a black body. I have not looked at this. This is just coming straight out of the box, guys. So we've got a black body. That is good because you've all seen my painting skills is not up to par, but maybe we'll do something fun with that. We'll see. What have we got in here? There's the chassis. There. Look at that. So that's the bathtub chassis. We've got, and they are the same tyres and the same wheels that go on the CW01. So that's awesome. And we've got those yellow wheel hubs that I'm assuming they're similar to the ones that go on the lunchbox. They might be a bit small. I'll have a look. They might be a bit smaller. Then What we got down this end? We've got a box of goodies down here by the looks of it. Look at this, right. Ah. There's some oil in there. Oil-filled shocks by the looks of it. Now, are they standard on this? I don't think they are. I think that might be a bit of extra. It is. Look at this. Peter's sorted me out here. He's given me a torque-tuned motor in this one, but also he's included the bearings. We all know how much difference they make to a build, or at least I'll have the science behind it when I finish doing my riding fighter in the spring. Parts bag D we've got there. That's got the bushings and the wheel hubs in and the switch plate and all that sort of stuff. Parts bag B, some self tappers in there and a motor plate. A, what have we got in A? Turnbuckles, grease, all that good stuff that goes in that first section. We've got a servo. Good work, Peter. Thank you very much. Nice little servo to go in there. Servo saver. Very good. Gears for the gearbox, and then that all important, the driver figure. We'll have to have a think about what we're going to do different with this particular one. Wow, I am absolutely blown away by this. In here then must be all the other bits of gubbins that we need to build it up. Sorry, this is the most unprofessional video, but I'm just so excited. I've got to get in and have a look at all this stuff. So in here we must have the suspension mounts. Yes, the gearbox is in there. And all that sort of thing. Wonderful. Absolutely amazing. Well, guess what I'm going to be doing this week, guys? I'm going to be building up a Mad Bull. Fantastic stuff. Peter, thank you so much. Guys, go and check CW01 Creations. But hang on a minute. I've got something else down here. Let me get it up on the desk and have a look. Guys, just before I get started on that other box, Peter has been really sneaky in here. Because what he's got is he's got the box from the Mad Bull, but the body shell and the decals match up to the Memorial RX buggy. So what we're going to have is, because I actually super love this particular set. I like the decals on this and I like the look of the body. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to do this with that sticker set up on that body, with then the Mad Bull wheels on it. And yeah, maybe, just maybe, we might think about if we can do those wheels a different colour to match the decals that go on the top. We're going to have to give that a bit of thought, but what a twist. I didn't spot that before. And I also missed, in the bottom of here, was a ESC as well, which I didn't see. Now, I haven't used these before, but I believe these auto-tune themselves up depending on the motor and everything else that goes in it. So, not used one of these before. Peter told me about these, and I'm really looking forward to giving this a go because it's supposed to be simple for simple people like me. Wow, what a surprise. I was not expecting those decals in there, and I absolutely love the decals that go on this. So, what a little bonus. Peter, thanks. Right, let's get that other box up and have a look. So, in the box that Peter sent me, there was another box. Now, I think I've got an idea what might be in here, but let's get stuck in and find out. Right, I'll go for the corner again. There we go, in there like that. It's all about the opening of a gift, and the wrapping of a gift is so critical. So just while I'm opening this one up, I was definitely right. What Peter's done is he's put in some oil-filled shocks on that Mad Bull, which is probably an upgrade that I would do on that chassis anyway, before it goes out on the track. So it's going to be interesting now to see how that chassis compares to other chassis that I've got that have got oil-filled shocks, like the DT03, but also a bit like the pumpkin that I've got. So that's got oil-filled shocks on as well. unlike the lunchbox that I've got, but it doesn't have oil-filled shocks. Oh my goodness, what's going on over there? Right, in the corner again. You definitely know how to wrap a box, that's for certain. Okay, I'm just going to go and get a knife and we'll get into this. Right, a little bit of knife work. We've managed to get in. So, let's see what's in this one. Again, guys, I'm going at this completely cold. Not looked inside at all. Don't know what's going to be in here. Oh, yes, look at this. What an absolute superstar. Well, you can't see this because I'm not holding the camera in the right place. But that is a body for an M05 TT-NSU-TT, just like that one there. And what I'm going to be able to do is do up another body with another set of decals. Fantastic. And I might do this one in the original box art that was for this particular model, which I believe was an orange with a black rim around the bottom. Or maybe we could do something completely different. Any suggestions of what you think I should do with that, let me know in the comments below. And all that is now left for me to do is say a massive thank you to Peter, CW01 Creations. Go and check him out. And we are going to be building this awesome, fantastic Madball on the channel coming soon. Peter, thank you very much. Guys, thanks for watching. If you're enjoying the content, please like and subscribe and all those other wonderful things that we'll do on YouTube. Until then, thank you very much and enjoy yourself. Bye now.